welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show off my friend's car. It's a 335i 2010, right?
Yeah.
And my friend's name is Patrick. This is his beautiful 335i with an N54 engine, and it is well modified with a lot of mods. We're going to talk about it today, what he's done to the car. Starting off with the exterior mods. So this is a different color. What color is this again?
It's a mix of both Midnight Purple from Nissan and GM's Dark Mulberry Metallic.
Oh wow! As you can see, it's a very unique color. Looking up close, you've got these nice purple flakes that really shine on the sunlight. So these headlights here are also very unique. Do you know what brand these are?
Yeah, these are Bay Optics custom-made headlights. These are the Vision line, the carbon LED eyebrow and blacked out housing.
Yeah, it looks great. And how long have you had these?
Just about 3 weeks, I believe.
How do you like them so far?
It really changes the whole look of the car. I love it, really. I can't get enough of it.
Yeah, it makes the car look way newer than a 2010 335i.
I just wish I got the carbon housing.
Yeah, the carbon housing really adds a little bit of a touch to it, but
Yeah.
it looks good even without it. Moving on to the front lip. Where did you get this one?
This is an AP Racing M3 front lip, and I liked it a little more than the 335i just because it's a bit wider and it extends out to the tires.
Yeah, you can see right here, it sticks out a little bit more and adds a little more of an aggressive look to the car. So I'm very, very impressed with it, man. It looks great.
Thanks.
Moving on to the side of the car, what are these wheels?
These are ESR SR07s. I have TEs coming in November, so at least those will be.
That's going to be a good upgrade.
Yeah.
TEs.
They're pretty much the same offset though. So.
I like that you have the purple lug nuts, and I like these purple brakes. What are these brakes?
They're R1 concepts, 8 piston in the front, 6 in the rear. I believe these are 385 millimeters.
8 pistons, that's huge.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can barely fit your finger in there. The clearance is really small.
Yeah, I'm just scared of getting a rock stuck between the
Exactly.
caliper and the wheel.
What's the color of the calipers? They almost match the color of the car.
It's anodized purple.
Looks really good, man. I really like it. Here's a close-up of the anodized purple. R1 Concepts. Great company for brakes. And this is the rear caliper, also very big. You said this rear caliper was 4 piston or 6?
6.
6 piston in the back and 4 piston in the front.
Yeah.
And just for reference, the M3, the E92 M3 is single piston front and back. So that's a big difference.
It's a bit overkill, but.
A bit overkill, but it's better to have it than not.
Yeah.
Onto the rear, we have, what are these taillights called?
These are also Bay Optics Blackline LCI sequential taillights.
I like them a lot. Are they like kind of tinted a little? They look a little dark.
Yeah, they're a little smoked.
Yeah, I like the smoked look. That is really cool, man.
Yeah.
It's like a sequential turn signal from Audi almost.
Yeah. I like it. It's like a little light show for whoever's behind me.
Exactly. What exhaust are you running?
It's a custom exhaust from BOV. So it's titanium cat back with a single X pipe down. It's 2.5 inches down to 4-inch tips.
Oh yeah, and I finally found another person that runs these just like us. Tire pressure monitoring system. If you ever get annoyed of the tire pressure monitor warning in your car, code it out and just get one of these so you can get accurate readings for each wheel.
Yeah, I still have to code it out.
Yeah, one day I'll do that for you when we get the chance.
Oh, thanks.
No problem. This roof rack up here,
Yeah.
where'd you get this one from?
So the OEM BMW roof rails came from ECS Tuning, and my friends at Antidote Outdoors provided me with this big cargo roof box.
I like how it looks, man. It's very unique and very
Thanks.
outdoorsy. For a car that's this quick and has this much mods, it looks almost like a sleeper car, like something you wouldn't race with. It's just more of a car that you go out with, kind of like a Subaru, kind of like
Yeah.
a Subaru WRX vibe to it. Looks good.
Thanks.
Oh, I've never seen these floor mats before.
It's a
Carbon fiber.
Yeah, Carbon Tech floor mat. They're really light and really easy to clean. The grip tape in the middle really helps when you're braking or pressing on the accelerator.
Are they custom or did you have to cut them yourself?
Yes, they're custom.
Oh, wow. That's really cool. And how much do these cost?
They cost $410 per.
That's not bad. Do they have them for the back too?
They do. I just
Never
didn't
got
get
around
them.
to it.
Yeah.
That's so cool. Yeah, it's hard. Very cool, very easy to clean.
Yeah.
This OBD2 connection, is this for a tune or?
It's a splitter, so I have a
Oh.
P3 monitoring system up here in the vent that reads my air fuel ratio, my oil, pretty much
Boost,
almost anything.
ethanol, even, wow, speed.
Yeah.
That is really cool, man.
And then
What is the other connection for the OBD2?
goes to my ultra gauge that's there on the other side. That pretty much reads all the health of my car.
So anything that's not shown here is shown there?
Yeah.
That is, I've never seen this one before. I've
There's-
seen the gauge, but not this one on the side. That's really cool, man.
Yeah, there's a lot more that you can show, like your bank, your
Yeah.
lambda and everything.
So the nice thing about having an Android screen is you can run Torque Pro and you can have all that onto your Android screen instead. That's what I do.
That's my next thing.
Yeah, exactly. Instead of that there, you can put it here. So one day.
Oh, that would make it easier because I wanted
Yeah, it's-
Alcantara trim.
Yeah, exactly. And you don't have to have too many screens coming out of everywhere.
Yeah.
This DCT shift knob here,
Yeah, it's a custom one from someone in our Facebook group. I forgot his name, but I'll send him over. He made a retrofit for the DCT shift knob and an M Sport display screen rather than the automatic.
I see that right there. That is cool, man. It's a display instead of an actual, what is it, like lights, LED lights?
Yeah.
I like it. How much did this cost?
410.
$410? That's not bad. Carbon fiber shift knob, looks like a DCT, and you get the screen there as well.
Yeah,
I like it, man.
I don't want to be the manual shift knob swap kind of people.
Yeah,
but-
I've seen that, but no, this looks really good. I like it. It's well done. I like the screen.
Thanks.
And this is probably for the tire pressure monitor, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah, up there.
that thing's convenient.
Very
solar
convenient.
charged and everything. So someone dropped a rock on my sunroof when I was dropping the car off to get painted.
Oh my gosh.
But I have a Nelson Racing Wheel hex carbon sunroof delete coming in.
That's gonna save you some weight and also close this up.
Yeah.
Is it water getting in, or is that plastic able to hold everything back?
Fortunately, no. The Costco bags have been holding everything out.
Costco bags. Wow, that is
Yeah.
very impressive. All right, let me close that again. Here's what it looks like from the top. He was able to tape it down, which is good.
Yeah.
But yeah, that just shows how crazy it is out there. You got to watch yourself on even underpasses on the freeway from people throwing rocks down at you. That's messed up.
Yeah. It's
Sorry that
unfortunate.
happened to you.
It's okay.
And this is the engine bay. As you can see, the original color was Alpine white.
Yeah, Alpine white.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I guess we can start off with what we see first. I see upgraded ignition coils.
Yeah, these are APR Racing ignition coils with one-step holder plugs.
How do you like them so far?
Honestly, I think I'm going to switch to Eldor just because these misfire half the time. So when I'm doing a random pull, it'll just start misfiring.
Damn, that's rough. How long have you had them for?
About 8 months.
Okay. Yeah, Eldor's the way to go for sure. You can run them up to, I don't know, 800 horsepower or pretty high.
Yeah.
This breather valve here for the oil filler cap, how do you like that?
It's good. It actually produced a decent amount of pressure. I've seen a little less blow by in the oil catch can.
Oh, okay. That's good, man. I'm glad to hear. I think those are like what, $200 for the filler cap?
It's 90.
90? Oh, that's even cheaper than I thought. And this is your oil catch can, huh?
Yeah, I used to have a Vargas one set up, but it was a pain in the butt to remove whenever I needed to drain.
How often do you change this one?
I just check it probably twice a week, Sunday and Wednesday.
Not bad.
Yeah.
And oh, we didn't even talk about your turbo. What turbos do you run?
I run pure 600s on this.
Pure 600s. Hard to see, but they're somewhere down there. Did you install those yourself or at a shop?
Me and my friend did it.
Nice. How was the install? Fun?
Pain in the butt.
Yeah, I know what you
It's
mean.
hard to get to, plus putting the inlets and the outlets back on is also hard.
Have you ever dynoed the Pure 600s?
No, but I've done it on a run.
And how was that?
Good. I should be around 480. That's on a Doc Vu tune, but
Doc Vu?
yeah,
Custom?
yeah.
Nice.
But hopefully pushing a little
we'll
more.
do a little short drive-by clip here and we can see what it sounds like and how fast it feels, but I'm excited for that because I've never really rode in a upgraded turbo N54 before, except that one time that you gave me a little ride. Let's talk about the intakes. What are these?
So they're Burger Motorsport intakes, but I saw these heat shields on Amazon, and
The heat shields really make it look cool to me.
Yeah.
Because I've seen them so many times with the heat soak and they don't look as good, but with the heat shield they look really aggressive. I like it, man.
yeah, we had these fabricated from my former company that I used to work at, but right off of a reference picture on Amazon just because it looks so cool.
Yeah, very aggressive, man. I like the color. And then you have a blow-off valve here.
Yeah, it's a VRSF charge pipe and a HKS SSQV blow-off valve.
Yeah, those. It's nice, man. I heard it before. It sounds very loud and
Yeah.
very like a Fast and Furious JDM car. Suits this car perfectly.
Yeah.
Oh man, this is cool. The quilts.
Yeah.
Cool that it was white.
Man, that is fast. Oh, we forgot to talk about the the limited slip differential that you added to this car.
Yeah, so it's a Ford 8.8 rear, just because I snapped my first axle doing a dig.
Oh man.
So at least this one holds up. And it's paired with a built auto trans with new synchros and a high stall torque converter.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's quite a setup. How do you like it?
Good. The only thing is between shifts, I have to take a pause because the torque converter doesn't like that.
Oh, I see.
When it's just being ran through.
For the transmission, it's XHP, right?
Yes.
Stage 3?
Stage 3.
Damn, that sounds really good. And it feels really good. shout out to Silicon Valley Car Club, which we are a part of. If you are in the South Bay or in the Bay Area in general, hit up Silicon Valley Car Club on Instagram. I'll have a link in the description down below, and join us because we like to do a lot of car club events and a lot of fun car things like photography, making videos, anything car related. And that's how we met Patrick and Mark and all these other cool people. Anyways, closing out the video, this is Mark's 335i. Sorry. Closing out the video, this is Patrick's 335i, and it is custom. Looks beautiful. Thank you so much for doing this interview, man, and letting us film your car. It's really fun. It sounds really good. Looks really nice.
Thank you for having me, really.
Anytime, man, anytime. And I'm gonna leave your Instagram in the description too, in case anyone wants to ask questions about the build.
All right.
They can come contact you about it. Overall, one of my favorite 335i builds out there. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Have a good afternoon.